In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload documents in BambooHR. First, log into your BambooHR account. Let's start with how you can upload a document for a specific employee. From the left-hand side menu, click on People. You'll now see a list of all your employees. If you want to locate a specific person, you can use the search bar at the top. Once you find the employee, click on their name to open their profile. Make sure you're in the Documents section of their profile. Here, you'll notice several folders already created by default. If any folder has a lock icon next to it, that means the employee cannot view that folder or any files inside it. Select the folder where you want to upload the document, then click on Upload. Next, click Choose Files and select the desired file from your device. Once uploaded, you can check the box labeled Share these files with employee if you want them to have access to it. If not, leave it unchecked. After that, click Save File, and the document will appear in that folder. If you want to upload company-wide documents or signature templates, click on Files from the left-hand menu. Here you'll find several folders, including one labeled Company Files, which is created by default. To upload a file here, click on Upload File from the right-hand side of your screen. Then click Choose File. Select it from your device, and choose whether to share it with all employees or only selected ones by entering their names. Once ready, click Upload, and the file will be saved successfully. Similarly, under Signature Templates, you can upload any new signature files following the same process. And that's how you can upload documents in BambooHR.